Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So today topic is about to make the secure connections in the app, in the secure connections, secure integrations, secure API integrations basically into your app can be achievable by the .env file to create in the assets and mentions the package in the PubSpec file. This implementations has a few steps. So first of all, you need to import the library as a Flutter library, which name is the Flutter.env 5.1.0. I am using the version. In your case, it could be different for you. And the second step is very crucial. You need to define it into the main file also. So if you don't define into the main file, if you don't initialize into the main file, so it calls an error to you. So this would be difficult for every developer. So I am just initializing the .env file, and I am just creating the env file, and this is the assets, and in the assets I am just create .env file. Right click, search new, search file, type .env. Here is a key point. What is the key point? It is, so I am just moving this type of base URL. This is my base URL. I am putting it into the .env file. So the key point is that you don't need to initialize with any data type like a string base URL, or then you define this variable. So if you put this like this, it can't be accessed into the app. So in the env file, we don't need to any variable defined. So this is simple. Type the name is equals to and your string, just it. Okay. So into first step, you have to mention on the PubSpec file the package, and then the second step you are initializing your env file and from the assets, and the next step is you are creating the env file according to this path. What you will do in next step? So go to the page. I am in my conditions. I am just going to the product view. So I am just this is my first page, the product view. So I am just here to show you what the way we can retrieve the env file data. So I just creating the variable file string base URL and .env. .env is a package, is not installed, so I am just installing it, and remove the const because it caused the error. It's showing the error, and I need to print .env and print the base URL. Restart it. As you can see, my .env file has the data http.fakestore.api, http.fakestore.api. So this data is printing, and where is my printing statement? And this I am just printing this statement. I can say, you can see these print statement has been run, and these are printing the base URL, and base URL is that. This is the base URL, and where is coming from? .env file base URL. Okay, so where is the env file? Env file is into the assets, and into the assets, so where I can define the path into the main file where you are initializing the .env file. And the last thing, which is very common and which is very useful for us. So what is the last step? The last step, you have to mention your .env file path into the Gitignore. What it will be done from your side. It will, if you put your code into the Git or into the GitLab, so .env file will not be uploaded. then it should it means as your local directory. So if you want to don't push your .env, which is the standard way, you have to mention your .env file path into the Gitignore file. Where is the Gitignore file? This is the my root directory. Into the root directory I have the Android folder, and then Android directory I have the Gitignore file. So in this Gitignore file you have to mention your .env file path. So my .env file path is assets.env. I am just copying it and go to the Gitignore file and mention here. In the whole file you can mention, and before the assets you have to put the slash. Slash is basically shows you have the root directory. You have a root directory, root directory, then assets, then VNV. Okay, so this backward slash denotes that before this directory has a root directory. Okay, so you need to put this arrow, sorry, backward slash, then assets, then backward slash, then .env file. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Keep like and keep subscribe my video, and if you found very successful and very helpful to you, so please don't forget to share it.